In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix the Samsung Galaxy S20 restart problem. So if you're watching this video, chances are that you also just bought a new Samsung Galaxy S20. Could be the normal S20 or S20 Plus or S20 Ultra, and your phone is like restarting at random. So it turns off and then out of nowhere it turns back on without you doing anything. So normally you can do that manually, like by doing this, and then you can click on restart right there. But there's a glitch where the phone just restarts itself, and I actually think I found a working solution. So I actually tried to fix it yesterday, and since then my phone didn't restart itself. So I went to my settings. That's what you want to do as well. Now once you're in settings, you want to find biometrics and security, and you want to click on fingerprints, and you want to delete the fingerprints if you're using them. So I was using my fingerprints and I deleted that. Now that's step number one. You just want to use the swipe feature as your security. So like that one. Now that's not like forever, just for now. The next up, you want to search for reset settings right there. Click right there on reset and then reset it, okay? So that's what you want to do. Now once you did that, you want to simply restart your phone. Okay, so let me do, oh, that's my bad. Let me do that again. So hold these two and then click on restart right there. And then once you do that, it should actually fix the problem. That's what fixed it for me, since I tried this yesterday and since then my phone didn't restart. So I guess it's working. But if you, that's pretty much the solution. I hope this works. If it works, let me know in the comment section down below. Leave a like on this video, and then I'll see you next time.